My name is Nadernejad. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell. I make videos for people moving to Canada, people who are already in Canada. If you live in this country, you're not hitting this channel. If you're not subscribing, you're not supporting Canada. Come on here, I'm making so much Canadian content. Also, smash the notification bell, get my notifications, interact on my videos. They give us more watch time, they make us go viral, they build this family up. Anyway, today I'm going to be teaching you how to dress for winter in Canada. I'm actually going to show you step by step. I've made videos sitting down and I thought, hey Nader, don't tell them, show them. So this is how you dress for winter in Canada. You always want to start with something we call in skiing and snowboarding as the wicking layer. The wicking layer is what you keep underneath, not only to keep you insulated and warm, it's fairly tight, but it's actually going to allow some breathing room. So when you move around, you can actually breathe, okay? So let's start from basic layer. You're going to start with a shirt, a tight-fitting shirt, undershirt bonus points. If you can fit like a vest underneath your shirt, that's going to be tight but also allow you to breathe, so something that's even athletic wear. Material that allows you to breathe but also insulates you is the key. You want to tie to your body and you want to start from basically your torso and work down. So you want, if you could wear long johns, if you feel really cold, like if it's -20, wear long johns, which are basically like these tight, like, I guess underwears that you wear it and it keeps you warm but also allows you to breathe. The key here is not to wear super fluffy, stuffy things as the first layer. They will cause you to sweat. Once the cold hits you and you sweat, you will get sick. So you actually just want to dress with a wicking layer. Next thing, you want to actually find something that's a little bit, this is not good. Today it's +3 because we're very lucky. But on a cold day, you want to find a shirt that we can actually throw over that's a little bit thicker. So let's go take a look at some things that might work. I'm gonna open up my closet over here. One thing I recommend, see, like this underneath is a jacket. It has a bit of a fluffy hood over here. You can wear this above. You can wear this above the wicking layer. And let's actually look at the material over here. It's pretty thick. It's just a hooded sweater. And something like this on top of the wicking layer is gonna be great. So at this point you have 2 to 3 layers. You have that wicking layer, perhaps you have an undershirt, and you have a pretty thick shirt. And now we want to focus on the outer layers and what are some other things you can wear to stay warm. So let's go downstairs and talk some more. So before we move on to coats, what I recommend you do is cover up your extremities. You're going to lose 20 to 30% of your body heat from your extremities. So again, hat, you're going to lose 20% of the heat from your head. Find a good hat, just a woolly hat. Any hat will do, but keep it tight, keep it simple. Hat on your head. Next thing you want to do is gloves. Your fingers will freeze. They freeze pretty fast, especially when the weather's really cold. If you're below -10, you will get frostbite. So I recommend wearing some gloves, wearing that hat, and also if you wear 2 pairs of socks, you're going to be even warmer. Again, check the weather. If it's like -1, -2, you don't have to go overkill, but if we're looking like 7, 8, 9, 10 and even lower, you really want to make sure you're wearing warm stuff. So here's an ideal jacket I recommend you get. Something with a fluffy hood like that. It's not real fur. I know a lot of people freak out about real fur. It's artificial, it's synthetic. So I recommend wearing a thick jacket, something that has a thick zipper. You know, I don't like splurge on this part. Splurge on the jacket is very important. This is quite thick. It provides that insulation, but also the outside material is waterproof, so it works in rain and snow. And in Canada,
you should be naked.
I should be naked?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could go outside naked if you're superhuman. It feels good. You get to air it all out. Anyway, so that's definitely something I recommend you get. Make sure it's thick. Spend most of your money on this. This is going to make sure all that snow doesn't hit you in the face. It gets very windy in some parts of Canada, especially Halifax where I'm at right now. So that's basically it. You have those couple layers, the vest, that first layer, you have that, the insulation layer, and then you have that extra jacket. That jacket is going to provide all that extra insulation, but also that waterproof, that waterproof effect that you're going to get. And you're also gonna, if you can get that hood, a hood like that, it's a bonus. And again, you don't have to support fur trade if you don't like that stuff. Again, it's just synthetic. So definitely give that a shot. If you have any other questions about dressing up here in Canada or in Halifax specifically, drop me comments down below. I just wanted to show you some of the material that you're going to be wearing. Again, same goes with pants. If it's really wet, get some waterproof or splash pants and just put them over your pants or just wear them, and it'll provide you with waterproof protection. Key here, don't get wet and don't sweat too much, because when the rain and cold hits you, sweat will freeze on your skin and make you super sick. So you want to make sure you can air out.
Before. Fake.
What's that?
Never happened to me before.
You've
Whenever
never...
I sweated, never frozen. It's never frozen.